Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Drive automation for form-to-sheet AI categorization, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To verify Google Drive automation for form-to-sheet AI categorization, start by opening Google Drive in your browser. Locate the Google form you wish to automate. Open the form by double-clicking on it. Next, click on the Responses tab at the top of the form. Here, you will see a green Sheets icon. Click the Sheets icon to create a new Google Sheet linked to your form. Once the sheet opens, ensure that it is collecting responses correctly. Now, open another tab and navigate to Google Apps script. Click on the Extensions menu in the Google Sheet. Select Apps script from the drop-down. In the script editor that opens, you will see a blank code file. You can rename the project to something relevant, like Form Automation. Now, you'll need to write a script to categorize responses. Start by defining a function that triggers when the form is submitted. Use the onFormSubmit trigger for this purpose. Next, access the responses using e.values to get submitted data. Determine the classification logic you want to implement. This could be based on keywords or specific criteria in the responses. Implement if statements to categorize the responses accordingly. After categorization, you will want to append those categories to the sheet. Use the sheet.getRange method to define where to place the categories. Ensure that you handle exceptions to maintain code stability. Once the script is complete, click the blue Save icon. Now, it's time to test the automation. Go back to your Google form and submit a test entry. Return to your Google Sheet to see if the categorization was applied. If the categorization appears correctly, your automation is set up successfully. If not, review your script for errors and adjust as necessary. Finally, remember to monitor responses regularly to ensure functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.